How you doing there today? I am your advice dummy. You see, a lot of people do not like to take advice from intelligent people. So I am your dummy advice. Okay? Now, we're going to start today with my fellow dummies giving some advice to my fellow dummies. Okay? Listen to another dummy. Okay? Here's your advice. The 12 Secret Service agents that got caught for buying pussy. Okay? Listen to me carefully. Okay? Listen to me carefully, dummies. Okay? My fellow dummies. Okay? Listen to me carefully. You don't buy sex when the president is coming to town. Okay? Okay? If they pass you, if they walk past you, you just go like this. Look, oops, the president's coming. Okay? Now, listen to me, my fellow dummies. Here's my advice. Okay? You ready? You ready? You ready? Read the words that are coming out of my mouth. You ready? Okay, here's my advice. You don't buy sex when the president is expected in the area in 2 hours, okay? This is what you do. This is what you do. You protect the president. You make sure everything is fine. And when the president leaves, you hear me? When the president leaves, you go buy some sex. You go have yourself some fun because you did a good job. You celebrate. Okay, my fellow dummies. Okay? Okay, my fellow dummies. This is advice to you from me, your fellow dummy. Take my advice and always get your advice from a dummy. Okay? So, with that enough said for today, I'll see you back here tomorrow, my fellow dummies, for some more dumb advice.